Hi, I'm Daniel Wolanski, President, CEO, and Mechanical Engineer here at Magnite.
Hi, I'm Dustin Wolanski, a mechanical engineer here at Magnite.
What we do here at Magnite is several different functions. One of our main one, of course, is die cutting. Die cutting basically uses machinery like this to quickly and efficiently cut many non-metallic substrates such as custom gaskets, ceramic felt, foam, sheet plastic, fabric, rubber, and a whole lot more. If you'd like to see a complete list of what we can die cut using our efficient machinery, please visit our website.
Another service we offer is CNC laser cutting. CNC laser cutting uses a focused beam of light to cut through the substrate. Laser cutting fills in many of the voids that die cutting doesn't cover, such as intricate and complex parts, thicker plastics, and can also cut materials like woods, acrylics, and thinner metals.
So what can't we cut? How about thick metals? Here at Magnite, we have a CNC plasma cutter, which will cut up to 3/8 of an inch steel. It will cut up to 1/4 inch aluminum or 1/4 inch stainless. It's on a CNC platform, so the accuracies are there to 0.015. And if you have any other further questions about what this method looks like, take a look at our website. We have a lot of videos there showing this actual process.
Finally, we also offer mechanical and electrical assembly. This includes the drilling and tapping of metals and other substrates, stripping and crimping of electrical wires and their connectors, as well as non-destructive circuit and mechanical testing.
We also offer spot welding. We can do custom packaging. We can do calendaring. And we can take your parts and validate them for quality assurance using our OGP SART scope to 1/10,000th of an inch. And there are so many other processes that we don't even have time here to mention. But if you give us a call here at Magnite, either I personally will answer the phone or Dustin, so you have a mechanical engineer on the line quickly to answer your questions. Please visit us at www.die-cut.net. Thank you.